welcome back to my channel and let's start the tutorial. Keep long yarn tail for the project. Start from the middle with a slip knot. Take the yarn tail, wrap it around the hook from front to back, and now you have 2 loops. Then yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. Repeat the process. Make it 20 inches long. Cut the yarn and secure it with a knot. Use the needle to hide the yarn tail. Put it in between the project. Pull the needle towards you and then cut the yarn to have a seamless look. Now comes the bow tying part, and do it as shown in the video. It is the easiest trick to tie a bow. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.